Online Performance Management System. Established to oversee and manage employee performance, which directly contributes to the alignment of agency's vision and strategic direction. All collected data will be vital for improvement of performance, identification of learning and development intervention, and sustaining motivation through rewards. Templates and information generated through the online PMS will be linked to the IHRIS in order to produce a timely, accurate, and reliable information for program tracking, performance monitoring, reporting, and decision-making processes. To access the site, open up any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type spms.hrmdo-lgubayawan.online and hit enter. The username will be in lowercase and no spaces. The format is the initials of your first name and middle name, then followed by your full last name. To log in, enter your username and password. The default password is 1234. Then hit enter. Before evaluating yourself, a rating scale matrix must be accomplished as planned out by the head of office, supervisors, and employees. To plan a rating scale matrix for the current semester, click the rating scale matrix link on top. Select the period and year. Here shows a rating scale matrix, a collection of performance commitment functions and success indicators assigned to its corresponding employees in a department. Devised and agreed upon by the employee, supervisors, heads of office and assigned performance management team validator or member. Here, you can add or edit your department's core functions, success indicators, performance measures, and assign employees. You may also check your individual commitments by clicking individual rating scale on top. Then select the period and year. Once approved by all parties, you can now start evaluating yourself by going to the performance review page. To start, the current period and year are selected. Signatories are then filled out by setting up the form type, immediate supervisor, department head and the head of agency. Proceed by clicking the next button. You can now evaluate your actual accomplishments for each performance targets you have committed. Click on Add Accomplishments button. Enter the actual accomplishment based on the success indicator. Select the performance measures that was met for quality, efficiency, or timeliness. The system automatically generates the numerical rating based on the qualitative description of selected metrics. Enter the allocated percentage weight. Click Save. Repeat the steps until all the core functions have been accomplished. Once done, the form proceeds to support function accomplishments. Click on Add Accomplishments button. Enter the actual accomplishment based on the success indicator. Select the performance measures that was met for quality, efficiency, or timeliness. Click Save. Repeat the steps until all the support functions have been accomplished. Once done, the form proceeds to strategic function accomplishment. Enter the title of the function, success indicator, actual accomplishments, the total average and remarks in their corresponding text boxes. Click on Save, then click on Next to proceed. Here, the accomplished commitment and review form shows a collection of data that have been inputted for core functions, support functions and strategic function. Final numerical rating and adjectival rating are automatically rated by the system. The form is now ready for submission for the immediate supervisor's comments and recommendation inputs. To log out, click Options on top, then click on Log Out. Supervisor and PMT access. Available dashboard pages for supervisors and PMT members are Review Performance Commitment and Performance Management Team. Performance Management Team page is only accessible for PMT members. Shown are the assigned offices, which the PMT member needs to ensure that the assigned office performance targets and measures are aligned, and that work distribution is rationalized. They also correct the assigned department's IPCR that are already submitted in areas concerning compliance of the form and any misplacement or miscalculation of the rating, but not alter the content of the forms like accomplishment. If corrections are no longer needed, the IPCR is then approved and now needs only the certification of the supervisor or department head. Review Performance Commitment is only accessible for supervisors or department heads. Here, supervisors and department heads review, evaluate, criticize, approve and certify their subordinates' performance review commitment inputs. If corrections are no longer needed, the IPCR is then certified. Comments and recommendations are added for development purpose. And the IPCR is finalized by clicking Send. Once all performance commitment rating reports have been reviewed, corrected and certified, the department may now print copies to be signed by their immediate supervisor and department head. Then submitted to the Human Resource Management and Development Office for filing. Performance evaluation results will be used in the process of formulating rewards and development interventions to build and/or enhance competencies of individuals and teams for optimum performance.